Okay, so this exercise is called ABC. To me, it's a classic exercise. It's one of my favorite exercises, and I learned this back in high school. I hold this near and dear to my heart. I still play this to this day, and I teach this to all my students. And in my opinion, it's one of the best exercises you can do to improve your diddles and your double strokes. And I'll explain why, okay? So now, let me teach you the exercise. There's two ways I can teach it to you. The first way is just learn the pattern, right? So you have 4 double strokes and then 2 single strokes. Right? So double, 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 single, single. Then do the same thing on the left. Double, 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 single, single. Next part, 2 double strokes, 1 single stroke. Double, double, single, do it on the left. Double, double, single, do it twice. Double, double, single, double, double, single. All together. Double, 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 single, single. Double, 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 single, single. Double, double, single, double, double, single. Double, double, single, double, double, single. Okay, that's a mouthful. Okay, I don't recommend you saying that, what I just did, okay? But that's an easy way to learn it, right? In terms of just the pattern, the rudiment, right? You have double strokes, and then you have single strokes. How many double strokes do you do? How many single strokes do you do? The other way I can teach it to you is, especially if you like understand rhythm, you understand, you know, basic timing exercises like the 16-note partials timing, 2-note, 3-note. This exercise really is a combination of those exercises, okay? Because I would teach it to you in terms of the rhythm. What is the rhythm that you are playing? Okay, you are playing 1E, a 2, and a E, and 4, and 1E, a 2, and a E, and 4, and 1E, a 2, and 3E, a 4, and 1E, a 2, and 3E, a 4, and 1. Does that make sense? Now, if you understand it rhythmically, then you understand where the beat is, right? Now, I'll signify the beat with my left hand here on the rim. Okay, and then the exercise here on my right hand. Ready? 1, 2, ready, go! Okay, if you can do that, then you can play to a metronome. Let's try that now. Okay, so why do I believe this is one of the best exercises you can do to improve your diddles, double strokes, and your rolls? Well, to me it's pretty simple. Let's demonstrate this by taking it much slower. Okay, so at that tempo, what did I do? I had to stroke out those notes, right? Imagine if I did mostly rebound like you would with a fast double stroke or roll. Just wouldn't work, right? The diddles are too crushed. It's not gonna fit within the 16-note grid, right? Now, conversely, let's take it faster. Okay, so what did I have to do there? I had to do more of a rebound stroke rather than stroking out. Imagine if I stroke out all those notes. Okay, so it's pretty difficult to do that, right? So I have to utilize more of a rebound stroke, right? Because when it's stroked out too much, it's too open, it's too difficult to play it that fast. It's just, you know, you don't have the strength to be able to do that. So it's a lot easier to just rely on the rebound to do most of the work for you, okay? This is why I believe this is one of the best exercises you can learn to work on your diddles, your double strokes, and your rolls. Okay, now ABC is a 3-part exercise. So A, I just taught it to you, right? That's where the 4 double strokes and then 2 single strokes, right? B is, well, let me not teach it to you that way anymore. Let me just teach you the rhythm, okay? So B goes like this. 1 and a E and 3E a 4 and 1 and a E and 3E a 4 and 1 and a E and 3 and a E and 1 and a E and 3 and a E and 1. Really quickly, right? So single stroke, 4 double strokes, and then single stroke. So there's double strokes. The 4 double strokes are sandwiched by 1 single stroke each side, right? And then you cut it short by 1 single stroke and then 2 doubles. So So the next part, C, is 2 single strokes and then 4 double strokes. Or 1 and 2 E, 3 and not the end. 1 and 2 E, 3 and not the end. Next part, 2 single strokes, a double, and half a double. Because you have to go, right? So it's like doing double, but you have to split it with the other hand. So now once you do that release, that's the first single stroke of the set of 2. So you got all together with C. Okay.